A narcissist gets triggered the most when you try to feel at peace and relax, because they cannot stand you not being a part of their chaotic world. They will sabotage and destroy your state at any cost. They will attack simple things like eating, taking a nap out of spite, because they're evil human beings. Why? Well, they hate themselves. They hate you because you exist. They cannot stand seeing you relax on a Sunday after working all week, or running errands all Saturday, or dealing with their children. Not only that, they even hate it when you do something on your laptop, let's say for self-growth, like do a course. It's these simple everyday moments of peace that really mess with them, and we're going to talk about in today's episode. I'm Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you the 5 biggest things that trigger a narcissist to their core. Number 1, when you sleep peacefully. You would think that sleep is just sleep, a basic human need. But for a narcissist, watching you sleep peacefully is a nightmare. Why? Because sleep is a form of self-care. It is you disconnecting from their chaos. It is you recharging your batteries, healing and existing without them, without needing them. And that bothers a narcissist deeply. They cannot stand the fact that you can find comfort without them and safety in your mind without needing their approval. Because deep down, they want you to feel like you're never safe unless they are involved. Some narcissists will go as far as creating drama right before you go to bed, picking fights, bringing up issues, or making passive-aggressive comments, triggering you so that you keep asking more. They want to disturb your rest, because if you are exhausted, you are easier to control the next day. Less energy means less resistance. If you have ever woken up feeling emotionally drained before your day even starts, it's probably because they planted that seed the night before. The biggest power any narcissist may have over you is causing so much confusion that you cannot see the difference between right and wrong. And when you are sleep deprived, you will always be in a mental fog, unable to think clearly. That is when narcissists gain the upper hand. Not only that, they subtly destroy your sleep without you noticing. When you are asleep, they may use heavy equipments, bang things, stomp loudly, talk excessively, or slam doors, ensuring you never get proper rest. Number 2, when they see you eating peacefully. There is something so powerful about sitting down to eat your meal in peace and minding your business, just enjoying that moment. For a narcissist, it is unbearable when you do that, because in that moment, you are showing self-love, or you are not needing them. As with sleep deprivation, you are nourishing yourself, you are prioritizing your body, and you are enjoying life without them being the center of attention. It's pathetic, but it's true. Narcissists hate that. They hate seeing you content and focusing on fulfilling your needs. What do? They disturb it. You may notice they will start an argument, bring up a sensitive topic, or even throw a sarcastic comment your way. Anything to destroy your appetite. They do not want you to be hungry. That's why a lot of survivors lose hunger in such relationships. Are you one of those? Let me know in the comments. They know if you are distracted, you are easier to control. They want you anxious, insecure, and hungry. When you're hungry, you're not able to think clearly, and that is known to that narcissistic piece of shit. Instead of eating food, they want you to eat their insults, so that your body is filled with psychological toxicity. And that's the reason why your stomach literally shuts down. This is also why your gut is destroyed, because nothing goes in through your ears except stress and chaos. That is what they feed you, and that's why your body shuns food. Number 3, when they see you enjoying me time. Now this is a big one. Whether it is drinking your tea, reading a book, sipping your coffee, journaling, or simply sitting in silence, narcissists despise your me time because you are seen as a slave. And that is why they do not let you to reconnect yourself. They do not want you to reflect. They do not want you to think. They do not want you to enjoy your own company because they know that's dangerous. Why? Well, me time means emotional independence. It means you're not relying on them for validation, and more than that, it means you are being introspective. You are questioning them. They do not want that internal exposure to happen. They do not want you to see them for who they are. They want you to believe the mask. They want you to think, oh yeah, maybe they're not that bad. They want you to live in that trance. But when you sit with yourself, when you take that time out of your day, when you just gaze off into nothingness, you gain a lot of insight from your subconscious mind. And that is a big no-no to that narcissist. And that's why you get attacked the most when you're sitting, when you're relaxing, when you're doing nothing. They may just give you random tasks like do this, do that. If they have nothing to fight about, they'll say, why aren't you feeding our baby? Why aren't you cooking already? Why are you doing this? Why are you wasting time? Go do something. Why are you being so lazy? It's not about any of these things. It's about the rejection that they are afraid to experience if somehow you wake up from that psychological coma they have put you in through the crazy shape-shifting behavior they exhibit. Number 4, when you go to gym. You know what really makes a narcissist uncomfortable? Watching you work on your body, watching you invest in becoming stronger mentally, physically, and emotionally. In this case, physically. Why? Well, the secret projection is if you build muscle, if you get fit, if you start looking better, you are going to cheat on them, or you are doing it in the first place because you want attention. That is a projection, because whenever a narcissist invests in their body, when they try to get fit, they do it for approval. They do it because they want to be seen a certain way. They want more sexual supply. It's not about I want to be healthy. And that's what is applied to you as well. They assume what you must be thinking, what your intentions are behind looking good and being fit. Oh yeah, I know why you are going to that gym. There is that guy whose attention you so desperately want, don't you? I know why you are investing in your workout, or you are buying these equipments. You want to tell them you're a big man now, aren't you? All of this is crazy and may not have anything to do with your reality. But they have to make up this stuff because they have to convince you you are a bad person. They have to replace your pure intentions with their malicious ones, because that's how they are able to establish maximum control over your actions and stop you from taking care of your body. Number 5 and the last one, when you laugh and smile. This is very simple, but the one that stings the narcissist the most. It's your laughter, your smile that kills them, especially when it's not because of them. When you laugh, when you smile, it shows you're happy, you're free, you are experiencing life beyond their influence. And that, my dear survivor, burns them. Because narcissists want to be the source of your emotions, good or bad. If you are happy, they want it to be because of them. If you are sad, they want to be the reason behind your tears. And it doesn't stop there. They are miserable human beings, feeling so small and broken inside all the time. They may project an opposite image of what I am describing, but in reality they are unhappy. They know they cannot achieve anything good in their life. They can never feel satisfied. And there is going to be always something wrong with the people they are with. Something is going to be missing, and they will feel pathetic no matter how much they are blessed and given by the universe. That lack of self-love and contentment is what leads to self-loathing, which is what they want to be reflected in their environment. Meaning, if they are miserable within, they have to have you reflecting the same emotional state to keep the resonance maintained. They want you to be miserable as well, because if you are not miserable, if you are happy, it reminds them of their true emotional state, which is what they want to run away from. And that is why your laughter is a reason for their unhappiness, which does not make any sense, but now you know. So those were the 5 big things that trigger a narcissist most. Let me know in the comments which one of these have you personally experienced. With that, let's bring this episode to an end. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, as always, let the healing begin and continue.